Morning guys, welcome to Wednesday. Today we are off to the beach with Mason's preschool. We just took the kids to school and now we're going to drive off to Bude and we're going to meet the preschool there. Monkey Mason is very excited because he loves the beach. So yeah, we're hoping it stays nice and warm and it, doesn't rain. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to video much on the beach, obviously, because we're going to be with preschool. I don't want to video other people's children. But I'll speak to you again soon. Bye. We have arrived at the beach, so yay! So now we're just going to go and find a spot on the beach and wait for preschool to arrive. Dave's now looking for a parking meter that actually works. This little one's getting very excited to get out of the car and get going. So yeah, we're at the beach. We're at the beach! Yay! There's Daddy and Mason. We just bought Mason a wetsuit and I was a bit concerned they wouldn't fit because it was a bit tight getting him in it, but then they're meant to be tight, aren't they? So we squeezed him in, so fingers crossed it's comfortable. Anyway, my battery's going to die, so we will see you later. Bye! We're home from the beach now and we're just unloading the bags and then we're going to run out and get the kids from school. Mason had a really good day, went in the sea, he got very wet, he splashed, he got covered in sand.
Got a cool wetsuit out of it.
Got a wetsuit, yeah. It was a good day, wasn't it?
Good day, yeah, I enjoyed it, yeah, good fun.
Let's see if we put enough sun cream on.
Yeah, I think so.
Let's see if we get sunburnt.
I think they're alright. Well, your back might have been, you was the only one who sat in the house.
We bought an umbrella, didn't we? What's it called? A parasol.
Parasol, isn't it?
That was good.
That was goodbye.
That was a good buy. That will last us a while. So yeah, we're home and now we're going to run out and get the kids. So see you soon.
Hi guys. We're eating tea.
What are you eating?
Chips.
And?
And I did eat fish. I going from the fish and chips shop.
Phoenix, what did you have for tea? No, say it nicely.
Fish.
Fish. Do you like fish?
Yeah, I don't like the top and I don't like the bottom.
You like the batter?
Like butter.
You like the top bit, don't you?
The top bit and that bit.
He likes the batter and not the fish. Which is a bit strange because the fish is the best bit. Fish is good for your brains, it makes you smart.
Fish makes you
Mason, did you have a good day today? Yeah. Say excuse me.
Excuse me, Mason. Excuse me.
He's got slightly red cheeks, but never mind. He had fun, which is the main thing. I am still covered in sand. I need to go and have a shower in a minute.
He's excited about me.
Hello! So I forgot to sign off last night and I apologise. I just fell asleep. The day at the beach wore me out. So this is me the day after saying good night for the day before. Bye.